So hello everyone. In this video, we will be discussing one of the interesting question, that is top k frequent elements in the given array. So the description part or the question part is, you are given an integer array nums and an integer k. Return the k most frequent elements. You may return the answer in any order, so that the order of answer doesn't matter. You can return in any order. So let's get started. So for example, let's say I am having an array one. Let's take this and okay. Let's say I'm having an array which consists of one, 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 that is thrice. After that, I have two twice and three ones. So if I am given the k value of k as 2, it means I have to return top two elements which are occurring most of the time. For example, here 1 is repeating 3 times, 2 is repeated 2 times, 3 is repeated once. So k equal to 2, so my answer will be 1 comma 2. Let's take another example like 1 1 1 1 2 2 2 3 3 1. So if here my k equal to 3, suppose my k is 3, then the answer will be 1 2 and 3. So I think you might have got an idea of how we are getting the answer. So actually you can return 3 to 1 or 2 1 3 or 1 to 3. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter at all. So you have to just return the integers. In the similar way here, see, if the value is given 1 and the k equal to 1, so the answer will be 1 only, because the size of the array is 1, and that if that element will always be the integer which is returning k equal to 1. In in similar way, for example, if we are having element 1, and if somebody tells you to find the what is the minimum element from this array, so who is there to compare? No one, so the answer will be 1 itself. Or maximum, if somebody asks maximum, so again the answer will be 1 itself. In the similar way, if in the array it only one element is present, the answer will be k equal to 1. K equal to 1, yes, it should be 1, and the answer will be 1 always. So let's understand the coding part for this. We are using here, in this question, we are using map, and basically not a map, but I can say unordered map. So here we are having a vector, that is, actually we are returning a vector that is top k frequent elements, and the function is accepting a vector nums and an integer k, which tells how much element we have to return. So now we will make a vector answer. As we have to return an answer, as we have to return answer in the form of vector, we will make a space, a vector, and now we will declare an ordered map. So here we can use ordered map too, but sometime ordered map, okay, so basically order map have time complexity of log n. So time complexity of log n in many uh, in many functions. Like if we will talk about push operation, then it push in log n time, whereas in unordered map it always do all the operation in o of one time. So unordered map is good to use if the order doesn't matter. Okay, so now we'll use a map of int comma int. Now we'll use a priority queue, it is max, so it will always keep the max element at the top. Now we'll iterate from I equal to 0 till nums dot size, and we'll increase the frequency of each element by 1. Now we will traverse from, if you don't know, then this keyword auto, it it comes with modern C++ compilers which directly traverse through answer one, that is map, without using iterators like it plus plus all that stuff. So now we are iterating through answer one, that is map, and we are pushing second element, that is second frequency, and the first element. Okay, for example, like 1 1 1. So we are pushing here 1 and the frequency, that is, so we are pushing here first frequency and then element. Okay, 3 and 1. So we'll see, while this size is greater than answer dot size minus k, because suppose the size of the array is 3 and we have to return two elements to top, then what will be the, so what will be the size eventually? So eventually the size will be 3 minus 2, that is 1. So whenever the size is less than 1, then we have to break, or we have to come out of the loop, that is here. So while this condition is held, what we will do, we will push the top dot second. It means, so at the top there will be two elements. First will be frequency and the second will be element. So we will see, for example, and as we are having max shift, always the frequency element with higher frequency will be at the top. So here we are having frequency, and here we are having the actual element. So in the answer we will push always the second part of the pair. For example, if uh, array is 1 1 1 and the frequency of 1 is 3, so we'll, now we are pushing 3 comma 1. So always what we will do, we'll push this second, that is actual element which is present in the array, and after this again we will pop it. So again, so what will happen after popping, again the element which is just less than the top which was present previously will come up. For example, as this is the logic that is used in maxi. For example, if I am having here 1 2 3 and 4, so after popping 4, 3 will come at the top. So as similar concept we are using here, and we are popping it, and at last we are returning answer. Now if we'll talk about the time complexity, so time complexity will be big O of n, and okay, so time complexity will be big O of n and log k, because the size of this will always be, will not be greater than k, so it is n log k. And space complexity, as we are having a map, so it will be again big of n. So thank you. So if you like my content, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And if you want to contact me personally, so you can message me via my LinkedIn profile, which is mentioned in the description. Thank you.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget your golden